Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming compatibility. Make sure your phone's size, gyro, and screen resolution match the Cardboard viewer. Once done, install the Google Cardboard app and give it camera, motion, and storage permissions so tracking and content load. Next, unfold the viewer, follow the app's quick calibration, and insert your phone face-in with the display centered. Make sure to line up the QR or configuration profile if prompted, because a correct profile saves you time and prevents distortion once you start viewing. Once inside the app, adjust lens distance and the strap so the image becomes sharp. Small shifts often fix blurriness. Use gaze selection and the Cardboard button, or pair a Bluetooth controller for more precise navigation. You control menus by looking and confirming. Make sure you hold your head steady and switch to landscape orientation if the app suggests it. When tracking drifts, recenter through the app's menu. These steps improve comfort and accuracy while you move through experiences. You finish by opening the app menu and exiting VR before removing the phone to avoid accidental taps or scratches. If you see lag or tracking issues, close and restart the app and verify the phone's gyroscope is active. A quick reboot often restores sensor function. If images appear doubled or misaligned, rescan the Cardboard QR or adjust the interpupillary distance in settings. This single troubleshooting tip usually corrects distortion and gets you back to a clear VR view.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.